everybody, welcome back to another video. I haven't uploaded in a while really, but today we're on the model railway again. Not doing much really, just filming the trains, maybe updating you on some of the stuff going on. I don't know. Yeah, so let's get started. First of all, I have to switch it on, which would help. Alright, it's now switched on. Also, I don't know how good the quality is for you guys, but this video has been filmed in Ultra HD. So that's 4K quality, which, if you ask me, is quite good. Because 4K is good, so. But yeah, if you would like to switch the video to 4K, go ahead. There's I forgot to do that. That's there we go. So anyway, today we've got all the models plus one I don't think you've really seen, which is actually this, the 20, and it's, there we go. Yeah, I don't think you guys have seen the 20, but there you go, you've seen it now. It's got Tornado's tender, because Tornado right now is on the back of the truck. I don't know where it's going on the back of its truck, but it's going somewhere. We'll never know where, because it's just been sat, it just gets sat there. There we go. Right, reverse that into there, switch these, and then we'll bring the train back that kept wanting to go round here. So yeah, that was the 20. It's Bachmann. It's got a load of lights and everything. We've got a flatbed and two new wagons here, which are this. This is a GWR flatbed. Comes with these two metal things, whatever you want to call them. Girders, yeah. And a few things to put in to keep them on. We've also got a BR one, which has the same, except it's metal pipes. Then, okay, well, I forgot this wagon doesn't like to be shunted much at all, because it's a small wagon, so it likes to derail, but oh well, there we go. Anyway, keep going, and that's derailed now. Not going very well. Right, oh, it's derailed again. Just gonna guide it along there. There we go, and then there's the 92 right at the back / front of the train. Currently, all the models that I have on my layout are all fitted with lights. They're all Bachmann. The 20's Bachmann, the 37 and the 150 are all Bachmann, except for the 92 and the HST just in the siding over there in the back. And already I can see a huge difference. Filming in 4K quality on a phone is brilliant. Anyway, how's that derailed again? I'm going to end up taking that thing off. That's just annoying. We'll do that now. Oh, oops, oh no. It's got stuck. No, I don't know why this wagon just doesn't like to be on the track. Wants to go on the road. Maybe I should swap it for Tornado. Anyway, it's now off the track. We'll just put it down there for now and carry on. We'll also get the 37 running. with its Pullman service. Just here. Also, very exciting today. There is some works going on between Malton and Seamer. So that's exciting because I'm going down to the station at roughly 2 o'clock, I think, to see some freight, like not just rail tampers, like proper freight trains, like long ones, 66s, I believe. There should be one that is coming from, oh, where was it? Belmont down Yard. So I'm pretty sure that's near London somewhere, and that's setting off in about 10 minutes, and it gets here at around 4 o'clock. So it does take quite a while. Anyway, we'll get the DBRF into the siding, and then we'll swap the track, and then get the 150 going, because I like the 150. I don't know about you guys, but I do. Oh, there goes it. There it goes. Let's see, how good is the zoom? That's pretty good. I've not tried the zoom yet on this, but yeah, let's there we go. Look at that. Do that. This might be quite good, you know, for filming. My literal phone. I don't have a case on it, so I probably won't risk that, but anyway, yeah, as I said, there's the HST and the 20, because that's just packed in sidings. Got Tornado on the truck, here comes the 150. And there goes the 150, and here comes the 37. And there goes the 37. This is probably gonna be the end of the video soon. We'll stop the 150 as it just pulls around the corner. There we go, there it is. We'll just stop it there, and then out goes the 37, and that there. So you guys have seen a bit more of my layout, seen a few more of my trains, seen what I've done to it. That's it. So that'll be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like the filming, and see you in the next one.